That's a interesting classical lines, plumb bow though, bowsprit, counter, big catch. Oh, this must be the classic boat area. Some more classic than others. They're all looking very well maintained. over here at the, I don't know, northeast corner of West Haven was pile moorings, and CATMANTOO was on one of these moorings when we bought her. They're busy turning them into expensive marina berths. So once again, the cost of owning a yacht in Auckland is skyrocketing. There's currently no place to haul a multi-hull apart from Gulf Harbour, which will only do a small number at a time, so more and more are having to go north to Whangarei, where we have 4 yards happy and easily able to haul multi-hulls. Well, it's Sunday. It's another very nice calm day. Weather forecast for early next week is very poor. Oh, I'm back up at the cutting because these beautiful red late winter flowers are actually Japanese cherry, and it's a noxious weed taking over our native bush, so I'll go through and deal with the ones that are here, which are easier to identify at the moment. I might as well start with this one. I did do some earlier in the week, but broke the blade on the reciprocating saw. And quite thick enough. Had to go and recharge the battery. Well, now we'll see if we can finish disassembling it. A judicious saw later, and we'll lop those branches off. They're going away. The only last one is up here, so I might cut that off before I run out of charge on the saw. Here it is here. Never going to be able to fell it, there's too much other stuff around, but at least I'll ring bark it or possibly cut through it. It will fall down on its own accord at some stage. Harder than it looked, but it's off. Oh, that's all of them gone. That blossom in the corner is just the top branch, is the one that I've chopped down. I'll deal with these stumps at a later date. Right, well, we're going to pop in and see whether they've actually finished doing the repairs, which apparently they have, but we'll confirm. Oh, here's a big girl heading in, and here's our girl. We've got the second coat of anti-fouling on the sealant. Still waiting on this. Right, well, the window over the helm is out, and I expect to be going back in soon. And here it is, all prepared. The inside's been tidied up. And all these windows have been removed and rebedded. She wanted out. She hasn't gone very far because it is raining, as forecast, of course. And somebody else is watching the rain from No, what are we doing? We're running around. I was going to say from a drier place, but she has a new play place. And she's been a very busy girl. Well, we've had a slight break in the rain, and here's the Spirit of New Zealand heading up harbour, maybe coming in for its annual survey. So it's a sail training vessel. Not the nicest weather, but at least it's not hosing down temporarily.